Good evening friends, how are you? Now today video I am going to tell you the process how to recharge your wallet. So in new system you need not to go to the post office to recharge your wallet. You can recharge your wallet from your home only. So this is a very easy process and you can recharge your wallet by using UPI. Dear friends, I request you to subscribe this channel so that you can get auto notification of my next video. So let's see the process of wallet recharge. You have to log in on your portal, and after login, in left side you see home, become a partner, customer, sell booking, transaction history, complaints, then payments, then philately, and then you are watching this philately, insurance, banking, various options are given here. So how we can recharge? So for recharging we will go here, payment, go here, payment option. So under payment there are two options, one is recharge wallet and second is the monthly bill. So recharge wallet, if you have the advance payment, and if you are the BNPL customer, book now pay letter customer, then you have to select monthly bill. So monthly bill is means you can get the monthly bill also from this section here. So you need not to wait for your monthly bill, you can generate monthly bill from here. Now we have to recharge our wallet, so we are selecting recharge wallet, then go on recharge wallet, and here various options are here where the customer can see his various types of contracts. So we can select any contracts in which we want to recharge our wallet. So wallet is here service wise. Service wise means for domestic product or for international product there is a separate wallet. So you can choose here the wallet in which you want to recharge. Okay, so any wallet, let's we select here a wallet international app e-packet, that is ITPS. So we select here recharge, and then 48,152 is balance, so we want to recharge by 10,000. So we put here 10,000 and then click make payment. Then we have to select here proceed to pay. Then we can select UPI or whatever method we want, we can select here, and then after scanning this QR code you can pay the amount. Here transaction ID is also available, then check transaction status, then payment is successful. So payment is successful, transaction ID is here, you can take a screenshot. Now after adding 10,000 we have whatever be the amount, you see the amount is increased here. So this is the process of recharge. You can check the transactions history also. See here the transactions history, and whatever you have recharged, all the details are given here, the transactions history. Okay, so see here transaction history are mentioned, and you are seeing that what is the contract ID, unique ID number, transaction ID, transactions type, so credit, and amount 10,000 we have credited, and here this is the date. So this type of thing we can see in the transactions history. So dear friend, this is the process. And see, one more thing I want to say, that the transaction which is successful, here success is mentioned, and if some transaction is not successful, then you will see here the check status. You click the check status and your account will be updated. In case the payment is failure, in case the payment is not happened, it is unsuccessful, then in such scenario your amount will be refunded. I hope you understand the process of recharge wallet, and if you have any question, then please don't hesitate to mention in the comment section. I will reply of your query. Thanks for watching the video.